How to turn down iPhone notification volume. Hi everyone, welcome back. Here's a video tutorial on how to turn down iPhone notification volume. Your iPhone's volume can be changed by using the buttons on the side of your phone like this, or you can just go to the control center and just increase or decrease it from here. But in order for us to actually change the notification volume on the phone, you will have to go to settings. So let's go open our settings. And on settings, just tap on sounds and haptics, and you will see the following. Now on this page, as you can see, we have this section for ringtone and alerts. And this is what we need to adjust in order to turn up or turn down the iPhone notification volume. Now for this video, we need to turn it down. So obviously, we will just slide this slider to the left. You can hear how the volume of my ringtone actually turned down as I did that. And that is how easy you can do it too. You can increase or decrease your notification volume on this exact spot. And if you found this video helpful, feel free to let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.